Hello everyone. And welcome to another comparison video. Please subscribe to my channel and help me achieve 1000 subscribers. Let's start. Today we will compare Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus with Huawei Mate 20 Pro. And find out the best one. Galaxy S10 Plus has 6.4-inch screen, with 526 pixels per inch. While Mate 20 has 6.39-inch screen, with 538 pixels per inch. However, S10 Plus is 0.8mm thicker than Mate 20 Pro. Both devices have improved camera setup, as S10 Plus has dual 10 and 8 megapixels front camera setup, and 212 with third 16 megapixels rear camera. While Mate 20 Pro has 24 megapixels front camera, and 40, 20 and 8 megapixels rear camera setup. S10 Plus will be available in 12 and 8 GB RAM with up to 1 TB storage options. While Mate 20 Pro is available in 8 and 6 GB RAM with up to 256 GB storage options. And, don't worry, you can add extra storage in both devices. S10 Plus will operate under latest Snapdragon 855 chipset, with 2.7 Octa core processor. While Mate 20 Pro is working under Kirin 980 chipset, with 2.6 Octa core processor. S10 Plus is equipped with 4100 mAh battery. While Mate 20 Pro has 4200 mAh battery. S10 Plus will be available in $1,190, and Mate 20 Pro is available in $1,000. Both smartphones have good screen protection with Gorilla Glass version 5 and 6 respectively. And they will operate under latest Android Pie. Both smartphones are compatible with dual SIM options, with SD card slot. Moreover, they also have water and dust IP protection with IP68 protection. S10 Plus can be used to pay any kind of bills, because it supports mobile payment. Both smartphones do have wireless, as well as fast charging options. For security, both smartphones are equipped with fingerprint scanner. However, S10 Plus do not support Face ID or face scan. S10 Plus will be available in prism white, black, green and many more colors. That's all from today's video. In our opinion, both devices worth the money as they are giving so many advantages. Which device will you prefer? Let us know by commenting. And yes, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon. Thanks for watching the video.